Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys this beautiful 13x4 water wave lace front wig. The length that I chose is 24 inches and the density on the unit is 200%. This is definitely going to be one of my go-to wigs just because I really love how natural it looks, y'all, and also the hair is so soft. So I'll be styling this wig on camera for you guys. Y'all already know I'll never braid my hair down. This is all I do. And here I'm just spraying down the wig cap with the Got To Be Free spray. Normally my wig caps would definitely be lighter, but this is the only one that I had, so I had to work with this one. And then I'm just blow drying the wig cap. The wig comes with 4 combs, and I also decided to bleach the knots, and here you can see how natural the hairline looks. I didn't do anything to the hairline. This is exactly how it came, and I have to say I really am impressed on how natural it looked. And then here you just basically see me laying the wig with the Got To Be Free spray again, and then always using the blow dryer on the cool and hot setting just to make sure that it is secured. Now it's time for some baby hair. Y'all know usually I do like a middle part or a side part, but I just wanted the hair to like go straight back, so I wanted to do a lot of baby hair. I must say I really love this curly hair. It is extremely soft and I didn't experience too much shedding or anything. And here you would just basically see me styling the curly hair. I'm just spritzing it down with some water, and this is the curling product that I decided to use. And y'all, this wet and wavy hair is everything. So you guys can see what it looks like once it's dry, and then also once you decide to like have it damped and add some curling products to it. And this is what the hair looks like when it's flipped to the other side. I must say I really love this hair. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. Let me know in the comment section what you guys actually think of the look. As always, Berry Squad, I really appreciate y'all support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.